Hey guys, so we got the WS4200 out today. You know where we're at, right? Remember this. We're gonna get some weeds cut today. I gotta tell you guys, this trimmer, if you guys saw my short that I posted last night, it ran okay. After we changed the fuel lines, it quit running. It would idle, but as soon as you try to throttle it up a little bit, it would just die. I got this stuff right here, this can right here. Fix It small engine fuel. The guy at Ace Hardware said get that, fill your tank up with it, and run it, and it'll work. So you guys, I'm shocked, guys. It actually worked, and I'm going to show you here. I'm going to get suited up, and we're going to get to it. All right, guys, have a peeksy poo at this. It's a little warm. It's not a cold start because I just ran this maybe an hour ago, but here we go. Idled, right? Guys, it wouldn't rev. It wouldn't rev at all. I am so impressed with that stuff. I'm probably going to get a can of it and keep it in the workshop. But for now, I'm going to finish running this tank so I can get some fresh fuel in there. Because right now, pretty much all we're running is that Fix It fuel. It's $15, guys. $15 for that can. And I was getting ready to buy a carburetor. So anybody who's ever replaced a carburetor knows that, you know, you're looking at $50, $60, $70, $80 or more for like an OEM, you know. Of course, you can get them for $15, $20 on Amazon, but you're going to get what you pay for. So I'm going to get this thing screaming. And let's do it. Excited. Guys, when you're doing hills like this, go across the bottom and then go across the top. Don't try to stretch, reach, or hang on the edge. It just don't work. Yeah, you don't need to be falling down a hill or anything while you're out. Just, I mean, okay. It's not that, it doesn't take that long. Just take it easy on yourself. All right, guys, I don't know how long I've been running it, half hour, 45 minutes, something like that, but we just ran out of gas. So that was the last bit of that fix-it fuel stuff in the tank. Ran phenomenally, as you saw. I'm going to put some regular straight gas in there now. Remember, the WS4200 is a 4-stroke. You do not put a mix in it, you just put straight gas in it. And you do have to check the oil from time to time. But we're going to put some straight gas in it and get back to cutting. Thing's always had an idle problem. I don't know, it kind of jumps around at high, low. This morning it was a little low. But there you have it, guys. WS4200, alive and doing very well. I love that stuff. That fix-it small engine fuel. Get that. I got it at Ace Hardware. I'm sure VP Racing, it looks like, is the name. I'm sure other people carry it. Get it. I'm always going to have a can now. In fact, I think I got a little left in here. Oh, sure I do. I got some power saws I can put that in when I get home. All right, guys. Anyway, speaking of getting home, I'm going to get home. So you remember we started at the little culvert right here, and we worked our way all the way down to that second oak tree on that other side of the fence. You can see it, I'm sure. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time.